What is operating authority? What applications do you need to compile in order to get it? Can you get your operating authority before purchasing the truck? Hi, I'm Taylor from Truck and Dispatcher Training Company. In today's video, I'm going to talk about operating authority, what it is and how to get it. Operating authority is a permission from the federal government to move people or freight across state lines for pay. The federal agency that regulates this is the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA for short. You need to have three things in order to get your operating authority. The first thing you need to have is complete the MCS 150 application. It is needed for getting your US.NMC numbers. On this application, they're going to ask for your company information, name, address, contacts, what type of operation and equipment you're going to be running, etc. One thing to make note of this application is that it doesn't ask for specific truck information, so in theory you could complete the MCS 150 before you actually purchase a truck. Something else to note is once you pay the $300 fee for the application, you're going to receive your DOT NMC number, but it's important to note that the MC number is not active yet and you still don't have permission from the FMCSA to operate your trucking business across state lines for pay. The next thing you'll need to complete is the BLC3 filing. This filing basically shows that you have agents in every state that can accept notices on your behalf. The third thing you need for your operating authority is insurance, and it's going to be $750,000 worth of public liability. Now, at what point do you need to buy a truck? Can you get your operating authority before purchasing a truck? The answer to that question is no, you can't, because in order to get your operating authority, you have to have insurance, and first of all, a vehicle to actually insure. At any point in step 0 to step 2, you can purchase a truck whenever you want. However, you can complete the third step of getting your operating authority until you buy a truck. Hopefully this quick video was helpful, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up. Write in the comment section down below if you have any questions. For more information, check the description box, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. See you soon.